battery life. 21 minutes of battery life, fully recharges in 55 minutes. Closer to 18 minutes of true flight time per battery. 3 hours for the remote battery life, recharges in 3.5 hours. We recommend Fly More Bundles 3 batteries and charging hub. The Mavic Air battery life offers increased flight time over that of the Spark. It's all thanks to the fact that DJI was able to squeeze a 2375 mAh battery into what appears to be the same size battery as the Spark's 1480 mAh battery. That's an engineering feat. The Mavic Air is rated for up to 21 minutes of flight time, though, realistically, you'll squeeze 18 to 19 minutes of true flight time from a single battery. Like all of DJI's drones, the Air lands automatically when battery levels are critically low, under 10%. We generally received a low battery warning at around 15%, which gave us a couple of minutes to do what we were doing and then land it ourselves, or just wait for the automatic safety feature to kick in. All of this is still better than Spark's 16 minutes of battery life. It's also just 6 minutes shy of the more expensive DJI Mavic Pro flight time of 27 minutes, which is supported by a larger 3,830 mAh battery and, for consumers, the top-tier Mavic Pro Platinum's 30 minutes. If there's one area in which the Mavic Air makes a small sacrifice, it's here, but you're going to have to spend a lot more for 9 extra minutes in the air. This is why we recommend Fly More combo for the Mavic Air with 3 batteries, and other accessories. It comes down to this: in many countries, especially in cities, it's difficult to find a legal area and safe space in which you can fly. So hauling this drone somewhere, while ultra-portable, for just 18 minutes of flight time is less than ideal. We monitored the charging time for the DJI Mavic Air battery and found it takes 55 minutes to charge each battery, which syncs up with DJI's official specs for the drone. With 3 batteries, and a nearby outlet to charge them, you could run the Mavic Air almost non-stop. At least until the controller gives out. That lasts 3 hours and takes 2.5 hours to charge.